You is my duty. I'm the big dog. My nickname is Scooby. Who got beef with me? Girl, you don't wanna compete. I'm too fast on my feet, and you know where I be.
Hey guys, what's up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dior, and if this is your first time seeing this face, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your post notifications bell so that you will never ever miss a video when I post. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be over here, and I do always follow back. And without further ado, let's just get into this video. So today's video is going to be a unboxing slash review on the Keyshia waist trainer belt. I wanted to make my waist like slimmer, and I just wanted to test the belt out because I've seen a lot of reviews on it and I just wanted it for the longest, and I finally decided to make the purchase. But yeah, so it came in a package like this. The shipping was so fast, and yeah, so we're just gonna open this up. Oh, okay, so I also forgot that I had body burner slimming cream from Keyshia. Forgot I bought this. So this is going to be a review for both of these two items. I'm not going to put the body burner on right now, but I'm just going to open it up and tell you guys what I think about it. So I got the waist trainer too, so I'm going to be putting this on before I put on the waist trainer when I actually do my workouts. Okay, so Keyor's Body Burner is a topical skin cream that activates with movement and enhances your workout while improving sweating and circulation. Once you begin your daily routine, workout, walking, chores, you will feel a hot, tingling sensation. This lightweight, fragrance-free, non-greasy cream will help speed up your metabolism, burn fat quickly, remove excess body fluids, and swelling of residual toxins and waste. For maximum results, combine the body burning slimming cream with our Keyshia waist eraser, along with a healthy diet and exercise regimen for a trim waistline. So we're just gonna open this up. I would tell you everything, all the prices when I open this up. I haven't opened this up yet, and the receipt is right here, but I can't see the prices on it. So I'm just gonna open this up if I can get it open. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it looks like this straight out the package. If it'll focus, it looks just like this, but I'm just gonna open it up so you guys can see. It comes with this like little spoon, like a little baby spoon, and then it has like this thing over it. It's looking like this. It smells good. It smells just like lotion, like a regular lotion. No heavy scent. It kind of smells a little bit like baby lotion, just a tiny bit. But yeah, so I will be putting this on when I go to the gym, so I won't be putting this on right now, but yeah. Now we're going to open the waist eraser. It's like this. Okay. So the Keyshia Body Burner Slimming Cream was actually $29.99, and the waist eraser itself was $69.99, which came up to $121.98 after shipping and handling. Okay, so we're gonna read about the Keyshia Fitness eraser. Okay, so she has like a pamphlet of the eraser key info. So the key info is one size fits most. It's adjustable Velcro closure for a firm fit. It is unisex, so both men and women can wear this. It burns 150 calories in 40 minutes, burns belly and back fat, reduces and shrinks waist size, spot trains stomach, waist, and back. It allows ab muscles to be more visible, works immediately, great for working out, wear underclothing, increases blood circulation, keeps muscles nice and warm, supports lower back for weightlifting, airport friendly, comfortable for bedtime, shopping, and doing household chores. Okay, so we're gonna read the care instructions. So to care for your waist eraser, we suggest you hand wash thoroughly and hang flat to dry. That's it. Just hand wash it and then hang it up to dry. But yeah, she has other products like thigh erasers. She has slimming tea, and like a body sweat suit, one piece. But I just wanted to test her waist eraser out. So I'm going to be putting the waist eraser on. The camera is about to cut off real quick, but I'm just going to try this on for you guys. So it has these Velcro. You want to open it up like this. And it goes around the waist like this. And then it has these two Velcro pieces, and you just want to put this one down and then put this one over it. Like on. Just like this. I'm gonna put my shorts over it though. So yes, this is what it looks like. If it was comfortable, I feel like I could definitely like work out in this and just like be kind of free, you know. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. The only thing about this is you cannot pick your color. So they have like neon pink, neon green. I think they might have blue, I'm not sure, but they definitely have pink and green. And I got white. I was hoping for like a green or pink, but I couldn't find any buttons to choose what color I wanted, so I just got sent white, which is no problem. White goes with everything, but I'm kind of hoping for a fun color, but that's okay. We're just gonna rock out with this white. I think it looks cute, and it's supposed to just erase your waist. I mean, train your waist, so the color really doesn't even matter. So I'm super duper excited to test this product out at the gym and really put it to the test. I want to be waist training my waist. Hopefully I want to see results, and I will come back and show you guys if I do see results or update, or you know. But my camera is about to die, so I have to cut this video a little shorter than expected. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in buying the Keyshia K-Or waist eraser, just go to Keyshia KORfitness.com, and there you go. Alrighty guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below, and also turn on your post notifications bell so that you will never miss a video when I post. And don't forget to follow me on the gram. It'll be over here, and I do follow back. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
To know you is my duty. I'm the big dog, my nickname is Scooby. Who got beef with me? Girl, you don't wanna compete. I'm too fast on my feet, and you know where I be.